In this video, we're going to be talking about the three subatomic particles and their charge. So we're going to go ahead and start off by drawing the triple bubble. I'm going to remind you that the proton we draw in blue, the neutron we draw in green, and the electron we draw in yellow. So when we draw that triple bubble, remember, we have our proton and our neutron, which are the same size, and they're located side by side. And then we have our electron, which you can tell is smaller, and it's above. So when we're talking about the charges, I hope you watch the video that explains what an electrical charge means. So when we're talking about our three subatomic particles, we already know that there are only two types of charges, positive and negative. But we have three particles here. So I'm going to go through each of these particles and what their charge is. First, we have the proton. The proton is positive. Notice here the P for proton and the P on positive. That's how I like to remember it. You'll notice when you draw a P, how you get a cross here in the middle of the P. That kind of looks like a plus sign. That's how we like to draw the positive symbol inside our proton. The P crosses, I'll show you here. P crosses to create a plus sign. So we have our plus sign on top of our P, which reminds us that our proton is positive. The next one is our electron. Our electron is negative. So up here we have the E, and I'll show you here since our E is yellow. Inside of this E, you can see a negative sign. So we draw that on top of our E. Our electron is negative. Our last particle is our neutron. Our neutron is neutral. And what neutral means is that it has no charge. That means it's not positive and it's not negative. It has no charge. You'll see neutral and neutron have the same first few letters. N-E-U-T-R. N-E-U-T-R. That's how we remember it. Neutron, neutral. See here in an N, there's no lines that cross to create a plus sign, and there's no completely horizontal lines. So it doesn't have either symbol. So what we do is we draw a 0 to show that it has no charge on top of that N. So these are our subatomic particles and their three charges. We have the positive proton, the neutral neutron, and the negative electron. This is how we add these symbols into our triple bubble.